ukuthi mina ne ibhayi lami ngiyinkosi ngiphethe amakhosi ne bese ngiphethe ini bengingazi ukuthi mina nomoya ubugedla bese ngiyini bayibiza ngani le enye nginale ngwelena ered and black angakalifundi kahle yabo ngisazoqala futhi ngiqhubeke so ufike umunye ubhuti siso ngijabulisa ngathi ye ucanga ukuthi mina ngumahwasha hey wena ungazongishayela wena like into engibona sisile la bacanga ukuthi thina amantombazana ama-2K especially singisa umzimba like umzimba angisukanga egoli ngizothengisa umzimba egoli kunemali ukudlula la like uyangisukela uthi mina ngithandane oyakhe like what the hell abafasinja yakhe like makeze tavern lezi zinja zabo lezi zathanda ukulandelela site like baba lo muntu lana sekathi uyokoroba ngami ngadonsa ubunye mahosha la indlela ngathi angeke girl ngisenkinge ngicela ukuthi ngihambe nami lo muntu lo ufuna ukuhamba nami engazi manager yongenza prostitute la like ebed ngeke ngahamba naye this is how I survived and then I said no more.
Wena uzombuza ne? Okay, khulumeke nje ukhululeke ube happy.
Makucanga ngosanibona ne. Bese uthi another day another drama, yabo? Siza nayo kanjalo bese kena uyashekena igama lakho nesibongo bese mina sengiyasho ukuthi hayi ngihleli no usho ukuthi uhleli noZandile bese mina ngizozi-introduce yabo. Yeah. Ne? Yeah. So isho.
Let's go.
Okay, start again. Isho.
Okay, another day, another drama. Mina nguzo zendumiso washange la ngihleli noZandile la.
Sanibona igama lami uZandile Mdluli. Yo, another day, another drama. Yabona ngize eThekwini from Johannesburg and I got lost. So yeah, that's me. All.
Okay guys, welcome to the show ne. Okay, kuzoguide kancane yabo lonto ukuze ishow yethu ihambe kahle ne. Welcome. Uzazendumisa ukhumbula ukuthi akaqala ukufika la. Kwenzakaleni before kwenzakaleni since last time sishuthile nawe la because sashutha la ushuthe nobaba wakho abantu bayakufuna back bathi bayafuna nizokhuluma futhi yabo ziningi izizathu lesisho what happened since last time sikhulumile.
Yeah, since last sikhulumile la kodwa akubanga nezinto ezitheni yabo. Yeah, kodwa kwahamba kahle nje kodwa akubanga nenkinga ezithile ezenzeka kodwa.
Ngisabamba nomuntu wakho?
Basihamba kahle nje.
Siyabonga.
Bazi banomntwana yena.
Hayibo.
Yes, I knew that today. Yeah.
Omunye yini ngoba bevele khona phela umuntu.
Hayi lo wesibili lo.
Hayi lo wesibili.
Yes. You are quick. Yeah.
And then welcome to the show. Sis wena uthe ubani uphume eJoburg kwenzakaleni?
Yeah, another day another drama. Yabona mina ngisuke eJozi naye ngizelana. You know izinto zesimoya and stuff ne. So ngizolungisa indaba yomntana nami washona yabo. So ngafika vele ngaba busy nezinto zami like vele touring around isinemali vele yo ngathi ngifika la eSouth Beach sekuntambama kanti ngiphethe i300 left. That was the only money that I had yabo. So mangiceda ukuba nayo ngingene la eSouth Beach ngibona indawo ngihlangane nekula yabo intane ekula vele ngimbuza ukuthi yazini indawo esona ngiyazi ngicela nokufika ngifuna eSouth Beach angikhomba athi ngiyo lena. Hayi ke ngisuke ebusuku ngihambe ngiyobhuka vele la iBayside 250 yabo. Hayi ngihlale ke kade naso isikhathi la ngine 50 rand ngithi ngine 300 ngikhipha 250 ngiyabhuka ngiyalala bese kusala 50 rand ngiyabhema by the way ngibhema ugwayi ngathi ezinye phela. Yeah. So vele ngithathi ngithi ngibhekile ekseni ngivuke vele ngihambe ngibhepha isikhwama ngigeze ngihambe ngiphume. Hi, by the way, ngize lana elwandle ngihlala hayi ebusuku kwani imvula guys. I have no place to sleep. One, yo I'm security alana angibuza ukuthi wena ufuna la ngathi yo yazi ukuthi ngihleliswe isimo anazi ukuthi kwenzakala ngapha nginamali yokugibela ukubuyela emuva. Bavela bangibuza ukuthi and ngifike kanjani ekini ngithi they know ukuthi I'm here ne. It's just that like imali yokuthi ngibuyele emuva it's too early ukuthi ngibuyele emuva ngingakacedi into zami. Okay, makhamba isikhathi ke na ngithola umunye guy uAndile. Hayi ngimtshela ukuthi yabona wena Andile ngakukhonjiswa bogogo ukuthi wena ngizodibana nawe. Athi ngithi angithi wena ngazi ukuthi wena umncane mina ngimdala naku bathi abantu mabavela mina ngirephe umntana. Caba. Hayibo mina ngina 23 yena una 20 umehluko ukuphi bekumele ngitshele nomuntu ana 35. I don't understand. Kodwa wayeyiphara. Yo, kodwa nempatho like yabona when it comes to men, ne? Like this guy, it's 100%. Like uyenza yonke into. Like ukudla yonke into. Like bengiphila njengequeen. Like angithelela amanzi cabanga in an island mina ngiyageza lapha ngiyalala ngiyadla. Like bengathi mawuvuka ekseni you can see the like bengathi ngise restaurant ebhekene ne I mean i-hotel ebhekene nolwandle kanti yo ngise-island ehlathini. So makuhamba isikhathi uguy find out ukuthi ngine-phone yabo ifoni. So mangine-phone ngasona uguy wayichweba. Uguy watshontsha ifoni yami. Guys, he stole my fucking phone. Like what the hell? Like ngambuza guy did you like uthatha ifoni yami? Wathi angiyazi and bengihleli nabo Vusa bo besibhema izolo langalelo Sunday ngithi abona manje sengilungiselela ukuhamba vele uguy wachweba ifoni yami kusho ukuthi waphatheka kabi ukuthi ngiyahamba kusho ukuthi nami ufuna ngibe yiphara njengabo bo so manje yabona nalamaphara laphana vele maningi vele abothena abonjani nje cabanga half Zulu half Pakistani yo bese kuyi mashed potato laphana bangifuna omunye guy nje it's half Zulu half Pakistan.
Oh, hayi lo mpofu khona phela umunye sesamshutha la umpofu.
Ongathi umpofu like uslender mude nyana nje like
akakhuluma izigisi kakhulu.
No, like ukancane like uyamayinika kancane. Yeah. So bese yangadibana nomunye nje obhema zimsuke zithi makaqala aceda ukudakwa vele lezi zinto zakhe abhema indanda ngambiza ngondanda boy. Yabona indanda boy was so good sham. Lesikhathi sangikhala ngihlelwe ifoni bekathi yo shamthula zini uzoba right ngithi yo yazi ukuthi stress sale phone lena ukuthi uyazi ukuthi yo inayo yonke into yami ene nama yangikhona nokubuyela ekhaya yabo so kwahamba isikhathi ngathi ngizama ukuhlanganisa imali ngagcina sengihlala namaphara sekumele ngifunde impilo nangapha iphara leli alijoli lithi komyiso angithi ngalithwasisa uandile ngamthwasisa waba ugobela uyogobela kwenye indawo kusho ukuthi
wamthathisa kanjani manje
ayi kusho ukuthi you know when they help you you must be intimate with them like I don't know this was the language yabo kusho ukuthi makangisiza namele ngimsiza yabo kwasho ukuthi ngizothini yabo let me go with the flow yabo sala ngangcola futhi uguy after that wayongijolela like with my friend like umngani ngimtholile lapha e-island yabo like really and then okay ngasengithengela ama takeaway guys bengidla ama takeaway Monday to Monday like the parallel guys is money like this guy like it's imali ithi baba
bien
yes so okay like uchola no girl like I no girl is so shapeless and manje ngiyabheka mina nginonile ne like this guy ngithi ayi wena wabonani ukusilanda ngoba umengathi indlovu yasithela athi ayibo wena ngithi wena usile wena ukwazi ukuba iboss lana mawuthi ufuna amanzi ngiyenza mawuthi ufuna ukudla ngiyenza ngathi okay sharp ayikena makhamba isikhathi vele basijolele vele ngihlale vele ngithi vele ngisingle vele ngithi maka anyway angizange ngomsholo vele makhamba isikhathi vele ngithola labafana bese ngicela ukuskima labafana
bo siyajwayela manje
sengiyajwayela phela mina ngene
usuhlala emgwaqweni manje ngaleso sikhathi
emgwaqweni eSlay Queen to umgwaqo yo angisafaki neinkophe wena yezizipho
ufike ufake inkophe la
wena oreke mang yabona phone yaka yeses uhlabona mihlolo yo ngathi ngihleli yazi bokuyisono ngami bangithatha abogayi bathi angeke phela uzuhlezulele everyday uyazi umjolo uyagowisana wenza ukuthi ulale like I was like yo this guy I'm no longer eating takeaway ngibuze bengidlani uphuthu nobhontshisa everyday ngathi angeke phela ufuna ngisuze and ngisuza into enuka amaqanda angeke everyday bangibulala ngamabhontshisa ngathi angeke you must try something else bese ke nabuya ngiphathele kunye ukudla ngibona ukuthi sham akasafuni sinini sekabona ngathi uthi mina ngifika ngisuthi yazi wayenzani wafihla ukudla ebhaketeni for ukuthi mina ngingakuthola ukudla like guys this guy we are fighting like we are married like I don't know why like this guy has a problem with me and enye into engimuzandile ngithi yena uandile maybe sesifela lamagama ukuthi akekho mina ngisikhukukazi yena uyini khude so manje inkukhu vele mele sishayane laphana so sileyo nto nje like yo sometimes it's stressing sometimes
manje umuntu uma umthwasisa la emgwaqeni njengoba uhlala emgwaqeni uthi umuntu wamthwasisa ke kufanele ube intimate naye ni intimate akuphi because nisemgwaqeni there is no places kwenzeka kanjani lo part
ya wena Yo, yabona mina ne, I've never seen such a place like this. Like la bengiqala ukufunda ukuthi abanimpilo izokususa le kulethe la. Sangena kwelinye ihlathi, abalamahlathi la next to the beach, yahaphena. Yabona baba swimayo lapha. Mabaguga amabhiya bangena lapha kube umdavisto, babe busy. Nathi sayenza sabona so, teachers, nathi siyaba ama students siyafunda sangena. Nathi sagcina sesihlala lapho kulelo hlathi le, elibhizi indlulwa amaphoyisa nje lana nje kubhizi shem. Enye into engayithandi ukuthini, ngiyangibona njani? Some people think I'm a prostitute, like da mina ngithengisa umzimba. No, like even if like bengithi desperate ngale ndlela angase ngicabanga ukuthi ngithengisa umzimba. Like I rather smoke nengicabanga ukuthi esho ngayenza kanjani imali. Like abanye bogayi banongitshela ukuthi hayi man asamsowashi takes yabo, like uzama ukwenza i-50 or ini yabo. Sometimes ayenza imali, sometimes I sell some of my things, izinto zami cabanga ngize nazo like to make imali. But anyway, yo, it's rough, yeah. Yo. Ayakuphileki jo, like amangamabi. I miss eJozi, I miss my baby, yo.
Hawu unengane futhi uyishedla le?
5 years umntana amhlanu babakhe. Like mina impilo yami ihlezi ibuthebele, mina ngiphila kamnandi yabo ngadla. Kodwa la yo I think bekumele ngizofunda isifunda yabo ukuthi empilweni ungabohlezi uzibona ngoba uzo yabo, because mina
ubuphila empilweni kanti eJozi?
Mina bengiphila yabona slay queen life, high life. Like bengile intombazana le if uzongifikela ngudle bengichoma kahle kahle ngiyachomanyana bo. Manje la yo ngifunda ukuba yiphaka elikwazi ukuhlonipha. Mina phela ngiyadelela, mina umhlobo wakithi uyadelela. So maye lana yo ngithobele no shit like mina ngazi ukuthi yes lo ngumqhwaba lo ubani bekumele ngithobe ngithi yebo baba ngibona kahle ukuthi ikaka le nto yenzayo. Ngasho ngathi hayi ukhamba ukubona. But anyway it's life guys, yo. It's not right isha. Kodwa ngizothini?
Sikukhona iphatha ishiya ngoba uthe phela ingakho ethe yibala estoryini ngoba uthe khona izinto ozombuza zona makwenzeka akhohlwa isto sakho.
Yeah, for lela fufu lakho uthe kwenzeke kanjani konje?
Oh, okay. So namhlanje bengilela yabo during the day guys. Like I was tired. Like nginto uncisha ukudla. Isho umnyengisa kakhulu.
Ubani?
Ubrothers.
Yena msajona manje.
Like isihlala soyithuna like what the hell. Inkinga ukuthi uyajola nomuntu wakhe, so mina ngeke ngikwazi ukuba side chick. Kanjani mina uma side chick side chick? Like what the hell? Yo. Okay. Guys, ungishile kusene wathi ucabanga guys namhlanje ngibiza ngobani? Ungibiza ngomama. Uthi mama namhlanje ngiyaphuma ngathi lo ngijwayela ungiqhela umnqondo. Ubona igirlfriend yakhe kuyigirlfriend mina namhlanje ngumama. Okay, angali ukuthi nginomntwana but namhlanje ngumama. Ngathula. Okay. Mangisathi ngithulile kanjalo ngalala bo like ucotho kancane. Ngisathi ngilele kanjena girl ngibuze ngiphupheni. Ngiphupheni. Yo, I saw him dying guys. Ngiphuphe bamgwaza bo. Ngomese ene langilela khona ngilele nomukhwa vele. Like ngaphasi kwami vele kunomukhwa. Umese.
Hayibo.
Like ukuthi if vele uyaqala ungidonsa amateki phela izabuya la. Yabo ukuthi vele nami ngibe ngihlinza amehlo kancane wa decorate ngikwenza ikati. So mangiphupha kasangiphupha vele bamshaya ne like guys like ngifuna ukumsiza ne but ngilele ngesizwa yabo. Ngize ngithi hayi man why ngingakhona ukusukuma like angithi but sometimes mawusiza umuntu ufa ngaleso sikhali na uyafa lapho kuleyo part yokusiza ngithi kusale lo abamshayayo. Okay, ugayi bamshaye like ugcwele igazi nani. Ngize ngithi yini akabuyi ngathi angeke shem kushitha ngingiphindile ekhaya phela lo guy lona it's my exit point. Like guys akumela ngihlukene naye, kumele ngimbambe until ngize ngithi yabo mayi sekuyahanjwa yabo. So like cause abanye bogayi balapha mababhemile ingcondo zabo ngathi iyenza so inorth ye south yeah yabona nje kuyaphambana. So after ngicela uphupha lelo phupho ngibuze ngayenzani? Ngibuze ngayenzani? Yo, ngavela ngavuka ngathatha ngapakisha amabag ngahamba. Azangiphelisa masaka ngavela ngahamba. Ngathi yo, angeke kusho ukuthi mina ngiyohlala nalendlavini lezi zizongenza imash potato zingi-triple dice zingenze yonke le gaga. Ngathi angeke. Ngahamba ngajumpa ngaya kwenye indawo like la kwasho khona impahla bona. Ngafika ngabatshela ngathi ngishiye i-wallet yami ngithi cause ifoni yami bese ilahlekile. Bese ke ngathi ngicela ukuthi ningiwashele le impahla lezi ngizobuya ngisaya e-mall ngizokwazi ukulungisa indaba yami yefoni. Yo, mbuzeni bathini ngibuze?
Bathini?
Ask me. Yeah. Ivuthini. Uthi lo mama lo wasephep. Sisi bekumele ngabe ufonele eJozi. I almost had a boo. Ngizwile inhliziyo yami ngathi beyiginqa. phakathi kwamafutha nje ngithi makalo sisilona wenzani uthi ngifonele eJozi ngibatshela ukuthi bavale ifoni yami like why yena ngabafoneli ngoba ngilana nginayo ifoni wathi why wena bongareport ifoni yakho ukuthi ilahlekile ngithi bengareport like bengisachecka vele ukuthi ilahlekile what if bezovumbuka sengireportile ivele ivalwe bese ngiphinde futhi ngireport ukuthi ngitholile wathi hayi ubatshela ukuthi kena ifoni yakhe ilahlekile mhlawumbe ngakuphi ifoni or bakunikeza imali
yo manje why uthi uyi-exit point wakho ucabangi uzokusiza kanjani ukuthi uhambe lo mjitha lo
like as far as like ngisahleli lana like lo guy lo angeke ngikwazi ukuthi ngimshiye ne like bamsaba like he's a boss like he is a lone wolf ne mina amele party yabo mina phela mangifika abantwini ngicala ngithi kancane bese ngiveza lebo ubumnyama bami ukuthi ngikhohlakele vele yabo mangiceda ngibalekela kuye ngithi yo lona bekangenza ukuthi bese angibuza ukuthi ufunani lapha ngithi hayi baba kumele ngenzeni ngilale la ilanga lonke ngigoqane bese uzongitshela ukuthi mina ngiphuma okay mangiphuma uyacomplain mangihlena abantu uzothi yo bangigijimisa in so uguy like I feel like he's my bodyguard yo mara bodyguard uyakuthola 100% like uyamthola 100% like yamthola like okay make sure ukuthi maybe it's 8 o'clock uyobala like angikade yonke into ekseni macala kungathi kundlula something he's up uhleli kasona ngisho ngithi yabona wena udanger khafara like nje uyalithola icup like that's why ngithi yabo like bangisahleni nayo angeke bangenze next noma nje silwa like cat and dog uTom and Jerry but this what's yeah like he's my exit point because mangathiwa ngiyamshiya yo ngiyodibana nelinye iphara eliphethwe isisu vele elingenanhliziyo lindlule nami manje lona inhliziyo yabo noma adakwe into zakhe nje like uright shem
nesikhathi ngana no la ufikela
yo ngenza 4 weeks hey wena
4 weeks usemusha la
hayi mina ngimusha hey wena ngimusha sham niyabona neinywele sesicala ziyashuthi sham we need some saloon we need a saloon
wafika la une week noma wafika wenzeni ekhaya
ngafika ngenze iphondo bo leli lama spiral like bengisifakile amaphondo lawo yabo leli freedom so bese ke na like bengafanga ama nails faka inkope like casual like uyabona ngithi wenza izinto zesintu phela kumele uqoqeke bo ngafika lapha after 5 minutes ngabona ukuthi sengiyiphaka angcono mfaka ama jean what's into ukuthi ngifake iroko ngizofaka iroko mase ngibona ukuthi manje gogo yimi nawo manje sesiyalungisa but nje yo nabo bogogo banokuthatha isikhathi sabo
awungixoxela kahle ukuthi wawuzokwenzani la ngiyakuzwa ukuthi wawuzokwenza izinto zesintu kanjani awungixoxela ukuthi kade usuke eGoli before uzusuke lo muntu awuze kuyena wamuzwa kanjani ukuthi ukhona lana kwakuyini inkinga yakho yini yakuletha la kahle
yo mina Joe hey isimoya sangibamba singiyeke yabona mina nginokuthi ngisethaveni ngithi kwa iblack livele lingibambe baba yabona like lizikhulumele shithi hayi la don't stay sukume ngihambe ngithi ngihlelisa moya lithi yenza ukuthi nokuthi yabo like mina vele engasekhaya nguphunyuka bamphethe like idalazi ngiphonsa vele yabo ngagcine sengithi nangeke laba abangazi kahle like June like it was the most difficult month for me yabo because ngalahlekelwa nomsebenzi abo bengisebenza yabo so ngathini ithi ngisukumele isipho sami kahle into bebangibisela yona ukuthi mina ne ibhayi lami ngiyinkosi ngiphethe amakhosi ne bese ngiphethe ini bengingazi ukuthi mina nomoya ubugedla bese ngiyini bayibiza ngani le enye nginale ngwelena ered and black angakalifundi kahle yabo ngisazoqala futhi ngiqhubeke so bebangibangisa ukuthi ngisho ukuthi mangingazi umuthi ngizoba powerful because ekhaya mahambe kahamba kule alapho yimicabanga out of nowhere like angizazi izinto ngihlanganise ngithathe ngihambe ngiyothenga ini hlanganise makuthiwa yenza ukuthi ngiyenze ngihambe ngemasontweni ngenza like bengiyenza yonke into and she will survive because June July vele sesibhedlela wahlala 2 weeks ngabona ukuthi azini the more ngihlala umama uzoshona yabo ngathi thi ngisukumele izinto zami vele mangifika la nabo ngangena olwandle ngeenyawo bo like papa ngapopa 300 kanti yo bekukuvalelisa kwami imali lapho ke azakuphinde ngisaba nemali
so ubuze kuba kade usuka zala ubuze ukhona umuntu ospecific obuze kuyena noma wavela wathi ngiyeThekwini nje
ngiyeThekwini
Sure.
I'm a brave girl. Like lento le ngiqala ukuyenza like lento le ngiyenza bekumele yenziwe usisi wami. Washo ukuthi yena ubanjwa amanzi emadolweni. Ngasho ngathi mina ngiyangena ke. But mina amabhayi wami not ukuthi like anomuntu ukuthi hey it's yours no they are mine. Yabo. So mina ngagcina sengithini thingize lana because I always dreamt of ulwandle yabo. And I know there's certain point ukuthi la yila kumele ube khona so I should never be far away from ulwandle yabo. Because even to this point kunesikhathi la ngihleli khona ne because I'm ngiseduzane nolwandle nokuzizwa mangisondela kulo ngizobakhuluma yabo kube nesikhathi mangingenile ngizwa ngathi ngizohamba namanzi so sometimes kuba nesikhathi ukuthi hayi namhlanje ungawasondeli like I'm not well so yeah so I'm waiting for that time makwenzeka ukuthi abo sekuyisikhathi ukuthi ngihambe kodwa mina elami liyazenzela like ivele lazenzela la ngakutshela nokuthi manje bathi ekhaya kwenzakala ukuthi nokuthi yabo like la ngitshela ukuthi ubani ogangayo ubani owenza ukuthi yenza ukuthi like lazenzela I don't know ukuthi bakhona abantu abakanjalo but mina elami umashesha like manje mangingathiwa manje siyaphuma thola ukuthi bathi ngiyachika mina ngibuyele emuva like lazenzela ngami.
So do you think ukuthi lento enzekalayo njengamanje ukuthi uhlale emgwaqeni kanje is part of your gene?
Yeah. I think I needed ukuvula ingqondo. That's why mina like ukukhuluma iqiniso like ngumuntu onenhliziyo enhle kakhulu and people tend to take advantage ngami yabo like each and every time monenkinga mina bengilomuntu lo ophayo yabo like I'm too genuine yabo so lana kahle kahle bazongifundisa ukuthi kumele ngikwazi ukuba isigebengu ngithi emsebenzini bengusigebengu mina bengusigebengu ngikwazi ukukhuluma nababoss ngikwazi ukukhuluma nabelungu nani yabo
yeah
bese la ngizofunda ukuthi empilweni ungabomnyaza umuntu ongenalutho yabo instead umsize kusho ukuthi I can say if izinto zami zihamba kahle I wish to donate to these people because bangisizile omunye wayengikhunga ngebruku athi nali ibruku lapha lingani ngithi yo athi uzolala ngazo phela le impahla zakho zozizikhathali ngize ngisho ngithi yo icathule ngisoloko ngigcoke le tekileli amate ezinye bengazigcoki because ngibona ngathi hayi amasendle zibazodlula nawo iteki leli mabangahamba nala ngeke ngiphinde ngibe nesicathuna yabo so bekungifundisa ukuthi like ngiyekela ukukhuluma kakhulu because ngikhuluma kakhulu guys I have a problem like when I meet people I tend to talk about my things like ukuthi mina nginani nani like that's why ngithi mina like impilo ngathi beyingisusa le it yabo ingehlisa like bengiphapha too much yabo so ngiyazibona yabo manje sengiyazilungisa I think I'm correcting my mistakes yeah like ubuphara busho next game like I'm proud of being iphara ne kungivula nemedulu ukuthi empilweni like yababona abanabangani like impilweni unga-achieve lokuyi-one not ukuthi ube nabantu yeah
indeni ingane
umntanami
ukuphi manje akwenzeki ukuthi umkhumbule and stuff
ngiyamkhumbula ne but umntanami vele uhlala nobabakhe
or even before uze la bevele sihlala nobabakhe
yeah bese kahlala nobabakhe it's uqale ukuhlala nobabakhe April like umntanami vele every Friday Saturday Sunday lesikhathi lesangisasebenza bekahlala nobabakhe yabo so bese uqale nje ukuhamba this year ngo-April wayohlala nobabakhe vele washintsha nesikolo so I'm used to that like mina vele like when it comes to parenting like i-parenting skills yethu imnandi jo like i-co-parenting yethu is perfect yeah
okwazama ukukhuluma naye umfonele efonini noma ukukhuluma nobaba wakhe sensula
yeah like isike sakhuluma ne it's just that thingba fana 2 weeks back yeah before ifone yami lahleka yeah 2 weeks back before ifone because manje ifone yami yenze 2 weeks iSunday le yes2
oh senze lahlekile
solo gilahlekile yeah
yo ekhaya bathini
ekhaya like if they are okay it's just that I don't want to stress umama ukuthi mama ngiyagowa la ngikhona ne because mami umuntu othathela eduzane izinto yabo so enemdala ngiyamdinga jo and mama like uyangithemba yabo when it comes to mina mama ngabheja ngami lotho like mina vele ngudenja khafaka like akekho umntana endlini onesibindi njengami like mina mangathiwa ekhaya like thingithine like mina when it comes to my family I can kill you guys like mina when it comes to my baby or my things I protect what is mine like ngi territorial when it comes to my things so mawuthatha into yami vele like like let me say it like ngikhohlakele when it comes to my things. So umama like uthemba mina even izinto zakhe eziningi zingami. So how can I like just yabo ngimithemba lo la ka mama. So mele ngizama ukuthi yabo noma kanjani ngiyabuya yabona yeah ngizobuya.
Impahla zakho bufike nazo ziphi njengamanje?
Khona se-laundry. Sikhona se-laundry.
Ziyawasha. Amateka amahle iphuma clean kanjani kwenze akaze bazama ukuphuca lezi zinto.
Hayibo bani denja ngafaka ulala phezukwazi yazi ukuthi bayiphaka kanjani faka le mpahla la phakathi kwamathanga uthi. Yatshela wena amateki ngithi angazi mashilisi ngawasheka ngathi angeke phela le santi le ngiqhela unqundu. Like njalo kancane ngawa ngidlula nayo ngasho ngathi ayi akusizi mos ongibonayo ukuthi ngcolile okwakhe lokho anginandaba naye as long as ukuthi ngigezile eziningi no but into engichaza ngalabantu laba like soloko ngingenile nela ngathi ngiyaka influence abanye bakhona like sekunale competition ukuthi kuseni siyavuka sindlule sigeze sibangene like isihambe sowathi phela bebaqala ukubona like mina nginike isilonda iwashing ilonda manginamali ngisho ngithi hayibo mina ngubani mina phela ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngikhulume nomuntu anginike imali bese ngihambe ngiyogembula ngaleyo 10 rand ngibuye ne50 rand phela sana ukuthi singene ekhasino sibuye nemali yabo so lawo ma piece job nyana but sibuye siyidle dom kahle la ngizela ukuzovula ingqondo ngemali angikwazi ukusenza imali like mangiphethe ayisha yonke ngelanga liwani ngibe nalento ukuthi akusasa ngizoba nemali kanti next yabo
awukangenwe na kulama drugs lawa sithola abasebenzisa
yabona yini isho indanda iCrystal irock yonke lento mabayibhema ngivele ngidonsa ingubo ngithi guys no mina ngibhema ugwayi kuphela nakhona ugwayi bese ngubhema cause bengekho right like it was hard for me ukuthi adjust to environment serious
so ufike ungawubhema ugwayi hlobo
ave ngibhema lo wesinto boy sniff
it's part of your calling.
Yes, so bengidla sona le. Bese ngabona kahle ukuthi isniff, hey ugogo naye uthatha isikhathi sakhe. Ave lathi bekezela mntanami. Gogo kuzobekezela kuzobe nini? Cabanga ukuthi ngibekezele like they know ukuthi ngikuphi ne. They can see. Enhle kumkhulu wami le uyangakhona like umkhulu wami usascoutile like yabona ukuthi nje ngiphethe ikhokho like mina like ngibaphethe bonke vele ekhaya. That's why ngithi like umama I want to make her proud like ukuthi mom yabona umntana lo awunesibindi yabona like akekho ekhaya like ekhaya mawucela uthi like mina ekhaya was the first child ukuthi abe ne bachelor ku matric I was the first child ukuthi athola umsebenzi out of the blue ngokuthenga isho bayibiza ngani umcwebu
yini umcwebu
ilona papalazi le nyama le ewomile le ewomiswayo
ibiltong
ibiltong ngangiyothenga ibiltong cabanga eshop ne ipapalazi ibhalwe papalazi ethi papalazi so ngangiyothenga ipapalazi bangiphethe yazi ngifika vele ngaba nomngane wami but are you looking for a job ngathi hey nayi opportunity ngibuza ngiphethe ID ubani ngiyacosha ngeID necard lasebhenki bese bavele ngaswipe lapha bangibuza ukuthi bacela ama number so buya kusasa ngo5 o'clock ekseni azama afune CV that's why like abantu abaningi like when I get umsebenzi they be like yo hayi wena mele usinikele into ogezanga ngisho ngithi hayi kusho ukuthi like idlozi lithanda futhi mawunenhliziyo enhle like hayi ukuthi kumele like ngoba ngiyakubona usasokole bese ngitshela indaba zakho bese ubophe zakho mase yabo mele umtshele omunye umuntu bese abe right yabona ukuthi usiza kanjani wena at least usebenzile bese zakho ziyavuleka ziyahamba yabo nalana phela sizela ukuzosiza
uqhamuka kuphi neJozi
Springs yes emahlangeni abagqibi
ngicela ukuthi na 4 weeks ukhona lana wema shuthi umenga sithola like ukubukayo la ku YouTube kanje uyangena ku social media yakho angakuthola
angangithola
mhlawumbe zokuxhumana
like angangithola ne guys the thing is I lost my fucking phone
so like i-account yakho namalo kunje yakho mhlawumbe ongawasho nje ama details zakho so mhlawumbe Instagram ngangithola ngobani Facebook
ku Instagram bengingabi nayo mara ku Facebook ngozandi Mdluli bayangazi uhamor so se-mid-world Tomazana semi-12 yeah like yo mina bengiphakala lapha bengasiphara man before I was a para bengisebenza i-mid-12 ngithi like laphana yo bengihlupha uPaul every now and then hi Paul Yangibona funa imali yami wongiroba. Yeah.
Uyahlupha wena. Uphona wakunikeza umsebenzi usuthi wakuroba manje.
Hayi wangiroba vele and ngiyabuya eMithwell the Springs ngizonazi.
Wenza njani Sport?
Yeah,
Wakuroba kanjani?
Paul. I want my money. I can stake it mal.
Ithini plan manje Zandile? Njengoba ula do you have a date ukuthi by this time ngifuna ukuhamba uhleli nje ulindele ukuthi kuyokwenzeka noma yini noma inini?
I have a date. Like I think if like there's nothing happening within these 7 days, like if like ngithi ngiyazimisela kahle within these 7 days, ngayenzakali next. Hayi mina vele ngizongala ngamane ngithola accident. Hayi uzongilapha angibuyise ngihlangane ka so but I think I'm giving them 7 days but la ngihleli khona manje.
So who are you giving 7 days?
Like angibaphethe.
Oh.
Like
So
ukuthi guys no i-deadline I'm like I can't. Like I'm even losing weight. Ngifike la ngisitufuzana ngiyani. Manje ngiyawonda. Oh, yo. Oh.
so ufuna kwenzakaleni in these 7 days?
Like I pray with like let it be something like engikhombisa ukuthi like am I close or far but I can see ukuthi ngiclose. It's just that konke wrong engiyenza maybe lo tshwala or something yabo. Yeah.
Wena wafika convince lo mjitha wathi wena umbonisiwe ingakho esajola nawe uAndile.
Ubani? Akajoli nami guys. No guys, akajoli nami. He's busy with my friend. Mina la ngikhona. Mina kusho ukuthi ngigade the furniture le ngiyakho. Yes, like ngigade ama furniture.
And then ulokuza uyahlupha wena. Oh wena usuyi housewife manje wena ukade finish.
Yes, housewife. Yeah, kusesentini, mara sentini la itepen. Yes guys, nibuye nizobhadala itepen, nizobona itepen. And guys ne, word of advice ne. Into engiyibonile la. If guys you are dating ne, nize ku trip to itepen. Nithatha abantu benize nabo la. Into ezenzakala la. Bufebe. Yes sir.
Uboneni?
Abantu la amadoda like as a like ku trip kusho ukuthi athi mina ngize ku get away like vacation afika zojola la ashiya girlfriend le housewife ubusy le abuye ne girlfriend ngapha bese nayo housewife makeze Durban nayo uwenza the same thing like kahle it's fun square kahle vacation is all about business. Yeah. But ke so that is life but life at Durban uyabuya ngeke.
Yini oyibonile kulo 4 weeks?
Yo lana
Ekwenza ukuthi ube like ube yakushokha mhlambe ngabantu abahlala emgwaqeni noma ngokuhlala emgwaqeni.
Yabona mina into engiphathe kabi ngakubona lana like into enginosisile there was a day like bengihlele beach park ne kufika umunye ubhuti uthi siso ngijabulisa ngathi ucanga ukuthi mina ngumahwasha hey wena ungazongishayela wena like into engibonisisile la bacanga ukuthi thina amantombazana ama 2K especially sengisa umzimba like umzimba angisukanga eGoli ngizothengisa umzimba eGoli kunemali ukudlula la like am I wrong? No. Yayibo so ngizelana ngesimo sami like angeke nize understand lento le yangihlupha guys yangihlupha so yeah.
So you don't think ukuthi khona into engakuforsa ukuthi ugcine usudayisa ngomzimba?
Hayi never. Yabona if there was something bekumele ngabe yenzekile before angase. Hayi ngitshela ngisho nalaba ngihlala nabo angibaphathisa kwabhuti ngithi yes my brother from another nation cela ukuthi ngiphukwa ishayile like lento ukuthi mayi mina noma kungabreak imoto ngisho noma ngaba nemali kanganani like no I have self control into engazifundisa yona from le phela le eJozi let me say it like siyaphuza mina vele bengisidako so eJozi it's all about mawuceda ukuphuza mele udonso uzibane yabo ngasifundisa lapho ngathi lento lena ukuthi sizodonswa la umuntu akafaka imali yakhe emabeleni aphuza imali yakhe athi makaceda ukudakwa ahambe endlini lento ukuthi sizodonswa la basithatha ngathi singabo cheap line ngithola yabo mayi mina ngizwana naloko mina vele ngintombazana enesithunzi like ikaka ngizwana nayo.
Iyiphi indawo etop ngempela while you were at your prime eJoburg la okuhamba khona noma uhanjiswa umuntu yabo ngiyazi kunama club amakhulu lapha eJoburg abakhuluma ngayo kuphi la wekuwaya khona wathi yabo kadu lapho uthi yabona ke manje ngidli life manje I'm at my peak khona indawo lokahamba khona neyijabulisa nama friends noma nama guys or something like that?
Yeah, yes in like uzangitshela something ne the guy that I was dating was none of those people like abathanda ukunikisana kulezo indawo like bekane isho bababiza ngani, he was too insecure.
Oh.
Like so masicabanga ukuthi guy asambe se-carnival like sekuphi like he was like yo bazondlula naye lo nami ngibuye ngithi yo hama usiyofeba yabo bese bana leyo nto lokuthi ish vela sithembani, so we couldn't do it together like yeah bengihamba nana mahamuks wami yabo kakaba bokhumutsa yabo like yeah yabo like besihamba sonke nje siba busy yabo
iziphi indaba enamba kuzona
volume 2 nje yonke le ndawo like yeah aba DJ ama party after party masiholile singena e DJ yabo volume 2 yey ka Rose like yeah zikhona le ndawo guys yeah but yo besiphuza sham
yeah
abesiphuza
umnandi into yakho
mina bengiphila kamnandi.
So ukumisa kanjani ubumnandi because manje ngiyabuka lento izo conflict wena umuntu wedlozi manje ngapha ngiyakubona nginangendlela okhuluma ngayo ubumnandi ngazothi awukakuphumi kubono sabuthana uzoyibalansisa kanjani lezi zinto zo2
hayi mina anginayo self control guys like makuthi namhlanje noma like ngazizwa ne ukuthi like I feel like ayikhona lento evele ithi ngqi wow hlala phansi yabo bese ngihlala phansi ngamane ngithenge ngihlalela phansi kunesikhathi la khona I was normalizing ukuphuzela endlini ngihlale phansi yabo until ngize ngicede izinto zami like sengiyafunda lokuthi yabo kumele ngehlise kancane estradini yeah phela awukwazi ukuthi ube inyanga makusada usangena ama tavern like is it for real inyanga enjani right like ayikho leyo nto
yeah
cabanga ngizojiva nje tavern namabhayi lapha ngiyadakwa nizothi uyobhula ini lo ma uzosibhula into ekhona angala abantu bangithatha ngathi ngithoketive and ngithanda ukujoke ne but one day they will know ukuthi ubani uzandi mina ngophunyuka bamphethe
enkulu ubani wathola kanjani ukuthi unedlozi because ngifuna uunderstand manje you still want ukuthi uthole umuntu ozokusiza ula eThekwini from Joburg. How did you know ukuthi there is a calling, there are people speaking to you, there are people ohamba nabo njengamanje wayizwa kanjani leyo
yo yabona mina I don't know what's kwenzakalani ngami but like I don't have a thorough understanding ne kahle ne but I'm in the highest states like ukuyabona like if like I can even sense your energy ukuthi are you good or are you bad, I can even smell them and ngibonile lesikhathi lesihlela phana ngize ngithi izandla like I knew ukuthi ngizothola imali but out of nowhere ukuthi kuphi yabo bengazi so like I don't know but I don't know whether it's me or I'm abnormal. I can even say ukuthi wena yo Jo ngathi khonto ngicabangela yona and then try ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi uzoza ngani bese kana ngizoshuta wena awukho right yeah like
ukuthi phela kuba nesikhathi nama celebrity wonke abethwasa bonke abantu bathi bayathwasa sekube ngazuthi mhlambe people mangabe benenkinga engabe bayayisolve they just say no I need to go ngiyothwasa. Do you think ukuthi leyo nto
no it's not like ukuthi ukuthwasa ne amanye amadlozi is just that afuna ukuthi mina it's just that lingcoliswe ngomuthi like ezinye izinto zifuna ukuthi ukhanyise umsamo wakho phela umsamo noma ungawukhanyisa ne mawungcolile wena uwumsamo. Do you know ukuthi bakhona abantu akuthiwa umsamo ukhulume nayo uthi sisi yazi ngicela into eso mina khona umunye oke wahamba nami wayengishela nomunye ibhuti wathi yazi ngifuna umsebenzi nini hayi ngathi hayi uzowuthola but next you go bethola umsebenzi and ngikhuluma ngiyadlala caba wawuthola and then the next 5 minutes sekaqala naye ukugijimisa lo mdidane bola pictures ngibona kahle oh okay like guys I think ama-callings wethu awafani but mina I don't believe ukuthi sonke kumele sithwase shwayela igubhu no mina lami nje just ukuhlambulula libe right and yazi kumele ube clean yabo it's just that lana ngizela ukuzolungisa ingqondo yami kuqala ukuthi girl kumele ube straight yeah eziningi not all of us with kumele sishayela igubhu ini nami maye kumele ini hayi thina wethu aba professor ungaphansi kwenyawo zami wena ngabheka so ngithi uyadlala wena
akaze kwafika ifiye yokuthi knowing ukuthi khona abantu asebehlalela emgwaqeni isikhathi eside yabo lonto akaze kwafika ifiye yokuthi mhlambe nawe njengoba usongenile na 4 weeks manje ukuthi mhlambe usungena nomphela ngizobuya la next year ngikufice la akaze kwakufica emqondweni lonto ukuthi hey what if ngiyitshela ukuthi ngizophuma then ungabusaphuma akaze kwakuthusa lokho mokucabanga
hayi phela mangabe kuthiwa ngisaphumi I know ukuthi there's something else I need to figure out phela kuyimanje njengoba ngihlela bekumele ngabe ngishaya ucode 14 ngibe ngilungisa ukuthi mayisuka lana vele ngene etrageni yabo so yeah like I don't think so but I do think if ngathiwa ngiyahlala la there's another thing kumele ngiphinde ngilungise futhi that I know but I'm not sure about the vele yabo yeah
Sure, hayi cha.
Yebo.
Washo ukuthi njengoba uthi uyi2K.
Ngi-2K mina.
Wa 2000 ba? 2. Umuntu 2002 na 23.
Yeah.
Ish, you're so young.
I'm so freaking fucking young.
Ingane waba nayo nangaki?
So mina ngiconcert
18.
onxese manje.
Yeah.
So ngiconcert mina ngolo 7 days othi ulindile ukuthi after lo 7 days uzokwenza njani uzovela uthatha itaxi uhambe noma uzolingena khona kube khona uzokusiza.
Angizoloku umlinde. Sometimes I think patience is key. Like I'm always giving myself time. Sometimes I give myself like I've been counting days ne. Like ngafika la ngasho ukuthi okay ngihlala 2 weeks 3 days. Okay ngabala. Hayi yandlula 2 weeks 3 days. Kwaba 4 weeks ngathi angeke phela manje. Hayi thingiziphe 1 week. Phela uloku uyazi lo. Kahle kahle into enginotisile ngami I'm impatient. Enye into yami. So I need to
Be patient.
relax. Yeah, like one thing. Like relax. Like ngiyekela ukuthi mangizobathi bayaphuza kuphi nami yimi lo. Nokuthini like ezinye izinto idlozi yalaza ngithi hamba ngenyawo lekati sometimes. Yeah, so I need to be patient enough. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's all. Yeah.
Yeah, ne.
Uma usufuna ukuhamba ukhole umuntu mhlawumbe olindele icall yakho uthi okay uyosho uthi okay manje sengicabanga ukubuyela emuva ngisacela mhlawumbe ungifakele imali engaka noma kuyomela uqale phasi uyiphande le mali khona la futhi.
Like to be serious guys. Nginayo ezovela ngithi hey baby bloody yascom faka la bese yena izongifakela like ukhona umuntu like ohlezi
namanje ongavela kufakela
like yeah she said like kumele ngiqale ngimenzele ini yazi notice iqala ukuthi like guy ngidinga imali engabe sithi okay
umuntu olana noma seJozi
baseJozi
Oh.
yeah even my friends like yeah ba right yeah no babengani right yeah like
khona babengani masibakhona umunye ongayifaka
yebo ngazi ama 2K makasami nginyawo zoyi2
ama 2K usho ukuthi nje imost ama 2K amangenyawo zoyi2
yeah like most yes
yeah
danger khafar
yeah sesovala ke sisi yini enye mhlambe obuyibuka eyi talent lakho mhlambe okade uyicheck ukuthi yazi ukuthini mhlambe nayi into ebingabe talent lakho nje wade uyibuka ngabe ukucula ukupresenter mhlambe wama 2K abhizi kuma social media have you thought about content creation and stuff
yeah mina like I love yabona lezi zokucoca yangibona manje ukuthi ngine yangibona like ngithanda ukujiva ngithanda ukucoca and ngino nalomcoco lo wenza abantu bahleke like I can bring people together like
yeah
I can even do counseling like ngithanda ukukhansela abantu like amaphaka amaningi bengihlana uthi wena ubuye uphi kanjani like awufuni ubuyela emuva mangakuphi imali uzobuyela emuva athi hayi mina ngeke ekhaba ngifuni nana noma uyacamba mangabona futhi la yabo so like I love like izinto engingathanda ukuzenza for now like if I had my phone like I was vele like wanting to post this place like kancane la ngifika khona ngiyapost la ngingena khona ngiyapost yabo kwasho ukuthi ke uzoyitshontsha uDanger Khafar mara ngizothini ke but ujive into yami vele ukuthi manje ngakayithola iclub le egcwala ama 2K vele ngithi yes namhlanje kudawa
uyobangena
yeah
so njengoba uthi ubukhansela abantu awukazi wacabanga ukuthi nawe with your situation you think counseling
I mean I like counseling no
say right okwamanje
mina uBragod yangikhansela mangithi Bragod namhlanje it's not make sure avela athi cry my baby yazi ukuthi nokukhala kuyakusiza ukuthi inhliziyo iphole like sometimes ukukhuluma sometimes like kunokukwenza ukuthi uthi uyayi-expressa lento ubona ukuthi hayi udlala ngesikhathi sakho angipholi muthi ngonokhala ube right yeah mina vele ngumuntu othanda ukukhala andlulise yabo sometimes bathi without hardship you won't know success mele uqale uzwe ukuthi yabona manje kuya
awukazi usuke la uye ema clubini lawa around la nje uyojuxuza since usukela
ngibuza ukuthi kayenzani ngibuze yes iza ngisangena laphana ngangena like I was alone mangena lapha ngadibana nama-Nigerian lo mhlobo lo hayi man yangase South Beach ngapha ne ngathi sindlulile like next to amakula yes yeah so mangifika laphana bangishaya ngesavana kwaba mnyama itafula ngasho ngathi hayi man ungenzani bhuti hayi the next 5 minutes ngibuze wenzani hayi let me take you home where home your home never mina ngiye-Bayside. Baba lo muntu lana sekathi uyokoroba ngami. Ngadonsa obunye amahosha la indlela ngathi angeke girl ngisenkingeni ngicela ukuthi ngihambe nami. Lo muntu lo ufuna ukuhamba nami. Yazi managereni yongenza i-prostitute la eDurban ngeke. Ngahamba naye. This is how I survived and then I said no more.
Wenza njani?
This is how I survived and I said no more. Mara bekumnandi.
Cha waphumunya kanjani kulomtshitha lo?
Ngaphunyuka kanjani ngithi besiphuma ne eklapini. Elona is it a club or a pub? I don't understand between difference kuleyo nto leyo nje leyo kaka leyo. But as long we tavern for mina ngoba singase Josephine. Yeah. So besiphuma ne. The moment isiphuma ngithipha labo guy laba bayithu ngithi guys eshingisenkingeni. Lo muntu lo bekakhwaza lo ufuna ukuhamba nami. Bathi hayi simpeka phuma ngapha siphuma ngapha nje sure. Phume ngapha ngithi athi why are you going? We need to be going that side. Ngithi hayi mina I'm going this side. Athi hayi we should go that side. Ngathi I am going this side. Bayside is that side. Athi okay. Sahamba. Masasivela somewhere like guys I don't know this place kahle ne. But I can like direct you straight yasazi namazulu amaswati sinjani. Okay. Sahamba bo. Seza. Sithola labona lapha ngase point. Yeah like kunabo mahosha bamile lapha. Ngamdonsa intombazana ngathi girl ngisenkingeni asambe nayi isavana. Yabo like imdonsa like ngithi sandluli ngimdonsa sorry ngithi nayi isavana. Ngisenkingeni nje lo muntu lona ufuna ukuhamba nami eNigeria ngazi manager ngisenzani. Enakana nemali like anyway even if we like yabo ndiyasazi lo muntu uzayisani bani. Hayi vele girl athi yo asambe ke asambe. Ngithuka ngilahle ibhodlela phela warifa sijikela la indlela mina ngizomgwaza vele mina vele yabo mangisukela vele ngiyagwaza. Ethabeni vele yabo nginika.
Hayi bo.
Nika vele like ibhodlela saliphula thina. So yeah.
Waphunyuka kanjani?
Ngaphunyuka kanjalo.
Wena uyikinga wena. Uyakwaza futhi kingizwela ukukhuluma ngomese lapha la nini?
Yeah like vele ngilana nomukhwa. Ufuna ukuthi bandlule nami. Yazi ukuthi abantu like bayarepana lana like bayalalana like yonke likaga le mina I don't wanna be part of it like I was never here ukuthi ngizofinisha ezinye izinto zabo like yo
Anginikeze usuku la khona okwasuka khona ifight wagcina senigwazana nabantu. Kwakuyikuphi na konje?
Sakwazana nabantu.
Ngoba phela uthi uyakwazana ngamabhodlela something njengoba uthi unezikala.
Ngalo nentombazana cishe ngayoboshwa ngoDecember.
Kwenzakalani?
Last year. Hayi like uyangisukela uthi mina ngithandane oyakhe like what the hell? Abafasinja yakhe like makeze tavern manje lezinja zabo lezi zathanda ukulandelela thina. Like bisho zafika lapha zaphuza bom. Mama masiphuza kanjalo. Uguy like uloko uyabazi boguy bathanda like yabo skate masikuhlala vele. Ukuthi esakho nje sithungelwe wena vele sakho. Ayu guy vela angikhulumise ngimnake vela ngithi yamazi ugela ukuthi unomuntu wakhe yabo ngicoce naye like general talk so abanye abogela abathanda ukuthi be general nabantu babo bo so ugela aphatheke kabi ngizwe ngowaba hayibo ngithi waba ngajika nami ngathi waba ngabe ngijika nebhodlela vela khwa phansi ngabuya nabo so yeah like inywele zami vele headline vele azange saba khona like yabona kwasuka ama hippies like it was a hell of a potato sajike police station I mean ugelwa jike police station sasa kwakhona wangena iveni yamaphoyisa ekhaya sandile wena njalo uphuza ngayo indoda indoda mina phuza njengendoda ngathi kifusithe gogo mos mama like you yeah mama uphuza njengendoda ngisho ngithi ngifuza ugokwami guys like ugokwami kaphuza yeah so manje yabo mina ngibuye necala nazangikhuluma kwafika break amaphoyisa umama mbeka shake yenza so athi I wonder ubani uyoboshwa kanti Zandile we are here design ngasho ngathi ngayikhathi ngayiwina ngasho ngathi ngubani mina Angithi iphothi eqala mina ngazi ngithe mina it is a self defense guys like uyongiqalile mina bengixoxa nomuntu wakhe like what the hell ngavele ngisukela umuntu nje esithubeni like do I look like nah ngayiwina and like I was like yo mama namhlanje ngiyoboshwa ne benginje lapha ecourt ngithi yo yes and bathe ngithi bangithiphile ne bathe bona girl ujudge makathi wena uthi makathi uthi ungathi ngoba nawe unespeaker ngasho ngathi okay sharp makale bengithi yabo
ne hayi cha she ngiyakwazi ubuthandi ukuthi bufakena necicini la ngazi ubhobozile ekhaleni
mina yeyi wena tensha khafaka
hayibo
nje lana uvele kwa hey
sakathi hibo hey kufanele ngiyokuchecka lapha ku Facebook ngibuka izithombe zakho at your prime usafake usaphisi
I didn't post much but they are there like yazini.
Yazi njani manje buka nayo ikhamera ngifuna ukubona ukuthi ubuyi content creator ubuzolokhu kanjani uyavalelisa manje utshela abantu besubscribe bevalelise wenze yonke into. Let's go.
Hi guys, this is Zandile, the most popular girl in town in yini Elangaville ne guys. La vele khona ngihlezi ngisezindabeni. Ningibukele ne guys, ngisedebheni yabo njengoba ningibona ngekho. Ngikhuluma ngami. Ngisedebheni guys, like ngisashawa umoya. Yayi nalomjolo cishe angigowise etumelo, cishe wangiyi. Ngiyabonga guys.
Bye.